Alright, yo, so trade recap from today. Today I took 3 trades. It was kind of like a weird day. I took one. It was a break-even trade, then it was a loss, then it was a winning trade, and total for today I'm up $406, I think. Let me check. So for today I am up. Okay, so that already reset. So it's a new day now. So $409 for today. It's actually a weird day, like I said. So this is top X. Let's just go to trading view. So basically what we had today is I was expecting really bullish prices. We weren't so bullish after all. And then we were, and then we weren't. So kind of crazy price action. So 9:30 open here at this vertical line. Let's just go quickly over the buys. So what I said in the trade weekly review, it actually is a weekly recap or weekly review and weekly buys. I said that, okay, maybe you want to create Tuesday low of the week, but I am open, or like I do think, or it could happen that we also want to take that low again, tap inside a singular 2-day busy again, and then go to the buy side liquidity, which we didn't do actually. I thought we wanted to do it, but we didn't. As you can see, we created almost perfectly equal lows here. Same one in ES, same one in Q. So we traded lower. So at market open, I still thought that this was going to be the low. At the time, we only saw like this. We only saw this here, and the same on ES. We only saw this candle. So it could be like a juice swing lower, and then we were holding this singular 15-minute busy, which is this. I'm not gonna mark it out, but it's right there. And then same on ES, holding it right there. So I was looking for really bullish prices, really bullish price action, as I said. And then what we had was this. So we had equalize above here. That was why I was even more confident bullish. So we had these highs with this and this high. So those were equalize. And then same on ES, which we didn't take, but we did on NQ. Also had equalize there. So now let's go in the charts on the 1 minute. So we were in this 15-minute busy, as I said. And I took one break-even trade on here, which was a long, or there was actually a loss. Was it? Honestly, don't remember, well, I'll spot it anyway. So I was looking for bullish prices. That's 951. I think that was it. I think this was it, yeah. So what we had is we had a singular, was it here? Okay, so this was the loss that I took then. Yeah, there was a loss actually, now I remember. So this was the inversion, closure above on this candle. That was the entry, stop on the second lowest candle, and we did take equal lows with 8:30 low. So I thought it was going to be a reversal off of taking the 8:30 data wick. Also had equal lows here, same on ES, I think at the time at this. Yeah, so we also took equal lows here on ES. So we closed above, and then yeah, literally no profit, and then instant stop actually right there. Literally an instant stop on this candle, and then as you can see we traded lower after. So that was already a loss, quick loss, and then nothing on the charts here, pretty choppy. So at the time as well, I was saying like I was in a call with someone, and I was saying, or we were saying, yeah, these lows are going to be a target, which we probably want to see right towards to it. But I couldn't look for shorts yet because let's see here, because we did inverse this here, but we didn't take the significant range high here, which would be here. So this in this entire leg is balanced, because this is the high, the low, we're side of this range. We didn't take out the high there. We do have a CPI here, or busy here, but it has to be at least a singular 1 hour if I can look for shorts, which it wasn't. And this is all balanced as well. We don't have any gaps in here, I think. Let's see. Maybe hit it with one tick there actually. Wait, then it would be 30 minutes. And that would be still the same thing. So 30-minute inversion. And then from here, still inside of this range. And then why is this the range? Because we have an imbalance there still open. So I couldn't look for shorts from here, so I was still looking for bullish prices. But I could look for shorts when we were back below this CB, and this all looks so complicated, but it makes sense to me. A lot of sense to me. And then that CB there. Same one on ES. She didn't close above actually, or below, or actually be at 30 minutes then I think on ES. Or I think that wasn't anything on ES actually. 30. 1 hour. 2 hour. Yeah, so it was nothing on ES. So we had this 50 minutes, and then at the time I traded until 11:15. So we closed below here at 10:15. And then I was actually looking for shorts here, like pretty quick actually. 10:15 or 10:30, yeah, 10:15, yeah. Then I could look for shorts, which is right here. So I couldn't get any opportunity here. And then maybe was it on this 2 minutes? No, it wasn't. It was on the 1 minute, and it was somewhere in here, which this was a weird trade as well. This should have been a loss, so I should have taken 2 losses here, but it was a break-even trade. Kind of lucky, I would say. But yeah, this is the inversion, really small busy here. It's right there, and then we closed below on this candle. That was my entry, stop, second highest candle. And then break-even was going to be at a 1-to-1, which you can see we never hit. That reversed, and that would be a stop. First TP would be at these lows, I think. No, yeah, these lows would be first TP, but I don't know what I did. I think I did get it filled a bit above here. I don't know why, but maybe I placed it a bit above here. So honestly don't know. I think I did it like right here. What am I doing? Alright, still have to get used to this thing. So got filled somewhere above here, so somewhere in there, and that made this a 1-to-1, which would be hit. And then we went higher. I did journal it in my Notion, and I was so confused on this. Literally looked at this half an hour, and conclusion is like, I don't know how, but yeah. Conclusion was probably placed it wrong there. So here I was looking for longs here. We did had this previous high, if you remember here, which was this high, like equalize up there, and then for yes, I will all the way up there. So 13:15, I was on the charts again, which was right here. And then what we did is we traded lower, and then also what we did is we traded lower on this candle. This candle took out this low, so nothing on NQ. And then on ES, literally these equal lows. Got taken on this one swing low, which is at this low here, and then had a singular CB here, literally one tick as well. Closed above with this candle here. That was my entry. Stop, second lowest candle, and first TP inside of a 1-to-3 is going to be this high, which has been hit. 75% off, went off here, and I let a runner go, which was at a 1-to-5, which didn't get hit, so it's up like $250 here still, but this was full TP, like nothing less than that. Why 1-to-5? Because this was actually my my external target, which is beyond a 1-to-10, so it'll be a 1-to-5 full TP. Why is this my external target? Because we don't have any liquidity in between here, which would be in this leg here. We didn't have anything here. I look at stage of accumulation or original consolidation for my TPs, and we didn't have anything in here, so that's why. Yeah, let's go back to this, which is right here. So yeah, got stopped at break even on this right here, and then you can see the market just went lower, and that was it for the day. It was a pretty weird day. Went lower here, a lot lower, and then higher again, and now a lot lower again. And so for tomorrow, actually, my bias for tomorrow is I think we're actually going to go to these equal lows. I thought that the Tuesday is going to be a low of the week and wanted to go higher, but now we are inside of this. Even though the price action is bullish, like bigger time frame is bullish, we did have this CB here on the 4 hour, which doesn't mean anything yet, but in this leg here, let's remove all this. We have a singular busy here on the 50 minute, which got closed below, so that makes this a inversion. And I look at 1 hour plus for like a intraday bias shift. But why this 50 minute then? Because the significant range now has been taken, which is up here. So the significant range has been taken. We have an SFT at the highest now. We close below here. We have equal lows here. And this is all balanced. Like there's no imbalance here. Just this one, which got closed below and get used as an inversion. So just remove this one. And then on ES, we did, like I was bearish actually until this year. Like I was still on the charts, still on a call with someone talking about the charts here. So busy, so I was actually bearish. So this got closed below and I was bearish until this got tapped. So we had a retracement up here and then now we tapped the busy. So now technically I would be bullish. But I think in the overnight session we'll just close below here as well. And when we close below here, then it's going to be, yeah, for me, it's going to be targeting the equal lows. Just this 15-minute closure above, don't need anything else. Or we create like more busies and sibbies on the 1 hour tomorrow at the New York session, because I don't trade before. But I think we'll just take out the low there. We do tomorrow have PPI and unemployment claims. Those are the only folders. And then, or no, PPI, I think, and unemployment claims and Powell speaking actually. Let me check. So I have Powell speaking and PPI and unemployment claims. Yes, so this is Powell speaking, 3 p.m. I don't care about that because that's outside the trading time anyway, outside the kill zone, so it doesn't matter. It was at like 2 p.m. then still I would, then it was at 2 p.m. then I would wait until Powell comes on. So after 2 p.m. I'm allowed to trade, but this is still fine. But yeah, honestly, yeah, there's nothing else to say here. Like I have to wait until Asia and London and see what we do there. But yeah, overall great day. Even though it was a really weird day, I think a lot of people, I've seen a lot of people mention that today was actually a really weird day with price action. Like it was CPI day, but still like price action was really choppy. Like big moves suddenly out of nowhere, big candles out of nowhere, which we have seen many times, like small range, big candles, small going down or slowly going down and then big candles again. Like it was just a really weird day. I think if actually someone actually traded it today, then like they would say the same probably, I think. But yeah, that was it for today. So up $409, which shouldn't have been $409. It should be a total of 2 losers this day, which should be down, I should be down minus $500. So I should be at 49K500 because I was basically at break even. But now the account is at 50K300, I think, something like it. So first time actually getting luck, I would say. I've never had this before, like actually a good trade or a lucky trade or nothing like that before. So that's the first time. So that's the first. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here and yeah, that'll be it. Thank you. See you.